before. That's why the Lord told the disciples, you have to remember what I have done. And thirdly, the Holy Communion, it is an act of proclamation in verse 26. For as often as you eat this bread and drink this cup, you proclaim the Lord's death until He comes. So partaking of the setting of the Lord's table, it is a proclamation on our part that we believe in Calvary. Jesus and everything fulfilled through both people of God. We can see that Jesus Christ gave Himself, and we are proclaiming His death. We are proclaiming His resurrection. And lastly, people of God, it is an act of anticipation. In verse 26, we can see, for as often as you eat this bread and drink the cup, you proclaim the Lord's death until He comes. So here, people of God, we come because we show the anticipation of His return. We are anticipating that the Lord, the one who gave us the promise, is coming back, and we will dine with Him in the marriage supper of the Lamb in heaven, to be with Him forever and ever. So here, people of God, before we partake the Holy Communion, let us all